Giles from Buffy the God, he's so hot. God, he's so fucking fine. He could stake me in the heart. He could throw holy water. I can be his holy water. I'm really excited. I get my Giles hoodie today. I made sure to get it super big, so it's like super big on me, and it's gonna be super comfy, and I'm so excited. And yeah, so yay. I'm excited, I'm happy. Yeah. Entertain like me. Do the people whisper fuck? Hold on, BRB. Got a package. Is this my hoodie? Yeah! With your face all made up, live it up. Oh my god! Lost self-esteem, so you're right. I think there's a flaw in my code. Oh my god! These voices will leave me alone. It's so big! It's so fluffy! It's actually not fluffy, but it's good quality, I'm surprised. Let me see how big this is. Oh my god, it's so big! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! I love it! I got it! Oh my god! Okay, I need to put this away. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so fucking hot. Okay. I put it away. I will not be distracted by the cutest fucking hoodie I've ever had in my entire life. Okay. I have been waiting God, a week or two. And I have it now. And I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. So in case you're wondering why I'm squealing like a fucking madman, that is why. That's why I'm squealing like a madman, is because I have my Giles hoodie and I'm so excited and it looks amazing and his face is amazing and I love Giles. And anyway, next song. sorry. I literally just got it. Yay. Okay.